Start before you feel ready. Because the truth is, you will never feel completely prepared. There will always be something missing. More knowledge, more confidence, more time. Most people wait until everything feels perfect. And while they are waiting, life keeps moving. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes from action. Every successful freelancer, creator, or online earner you see today started confused, unsure, and afraid of failing. They didn't know everything. They didn't have the best tools. They didn't feel ready. But they started anyway. Starting small is not a weakness. It is how growth begins. You learn by doing. You improve by making mistakes. You grow by showing up consistently. Waiting for motivation is a trap. Motivation follows movement, not the other way around. If you want change, you must move first. Start scared. Start uncertain. Start with what you have. Because staying stuck is more dangerous than starting imperfectly. 2 years from now, you will either be glad you started today or regret that you didn't. The choice is simple. Start before you feel ready.